Hey everyone, this is WORKPROX tree and hedge trimmer. So they come with one battery, 20-volt battery, and remove the sheath. And this is what it looks like. For the battery, you just go ahead and slide it underneath. Triggered right here. So you pull this, and you also have to pull this at the same time. So it's just a double safety feature. That actually worked very well. Very, very well. You can see how we trimmed up there, and you can see over here how it's untrimmed and looks kind of horrible over here where we didn't do. And then where we did do, it looks nicer. So yeah, I would say it definitely works. Works good.